Shut up and sit down.
1, 2.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my exotic fruit series. Today I'm going to try pomegranate. I've had pomegranate seeds before, I've had pomegranate juice before, but I've never actually cut one open and had fresh pomegranate. It's different than most other fruits out there, and it's different from all the other fruits I've shown so far. Most fruits, you eat the flesh, the meat of it, and you discard the seeds. With the pomegranate, you eat the seeds and you discard the flesh. The flesh is not poisonous. It's not bad for you at all. It's just bitter, so people typically do not eat it. The pomegranate has a lot of interesting health benefits, including one that I thought was pretty odd. It's almost like a contradiction. With most fruits, the sugar content is fructose. Pomegranate has about 12 grams of sugar in it, and it's about half fructose, half glucose. But despite it being half glucose, there's something about it that in study after study has shown eating pomegranates actually lowers your blood sugar. Pomegranates, they have 100 calories, about 6 carbs. They do have some protein, about 3 grams, so it's pretty negligible. So protein's not really a thing with it. It is extremely high in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. So it is a very good fruit. So I'm going to cut it open, show you what it looks like on the inside, and then I'm going to show you the best way to get the seeds out of it. So here goes. It's a little harder than most fruits. Very juicy too. Wow. So when you open it up, the pomegranate has like a starburst shape made out of the seeds, surrounded by this yellowish flesh, which you're not supposed to eat. So you can pick them out one by one and eat them. Not bad. But there is a much easier way to get the seeds out. So the first thing you need is a bowl. I'm going to use a glass bowl so that you can see it better. And it's kind of dangerous to do it with a knife, so because there's basically banging involved. So I'm going to set that down, and I'm going to use my spatula. So what you do, turn it upside down. You hold it upside down over the bowl, and you just start whacking the fruit.
1, 2.
And the seeds start popping right out. Probably should have a higher rim bowl, like 3 have shot out at me already. There we go. Now they're popping out. Bad pomegranate. Bad. He was a bad boy. $50 Shades of Purple. Cheating a little bit here. They're not wanting to pop out. But and there we go. So this is the seeds from one pomegranate. So that is about 50 calories. This huge amount of food right there. Not too bad, actually. Now, like I said, people don't eat the flesh, but I am going to give the flesh a try. It's not dangerous. It's just supposed to be pretty bitter. So I'm going to give it a try. It's very hard. So, I mean, it just doesn't feel like something you'd want to eat. Feels kind of like feels like cauliflower. That's definitely something you don't want to eat. Yeah, that's bitter. Whew. Yeah, you don't want to eat the flesh. Seeds are good though. They're sweet with just a bit of a bitter tang to it. Unless the bitterness from that is just kind of overwhelming me. I don't think it is. Yeah, the seeds are, they're sweet, and they just got the slightest bit of a bitter tang to them. And when you bite into them, you get this nice little burst of juice that fills your mouth. It's pretty good. So pomegranate, it's actually a superfood. And that's what it looks like before you smack it up, flip it, and rub it down. And oh no, that's it after it. Oh dear. That ain't coming out. You got to be careful. Don't wear white while you're opening up a pomegranate. Look at all that juice coming out. Whew. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you give pomegranate a try. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day.